Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a Microsoft account signed in on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Create or sign into the same account you use on Xbox consoles. Gift cards come in denominations like 0, 0, 0, and 00, and they may be physical or digital. Each card contains a 25-character redeem code printed or emailed to you. Keep the code private and scratch off the protective panel if present. Some regional restrictions apply, so confirm the card currency matches your account region. Open the Microsoft Store app while signed into your Microsoft account. Use the search or the profile menu to find Redeem Code or redeem a gift card page. Select Redeem Code and carefully type the 25-character code exactly as shown. Press Confirm and wait for the success message that adds funds to your account balance. The card value will display immediately in your account and appear as available funds for purchases. If you see an error, verify region and code characters. Your Microsoft account balance pays for games, subscriptions, and in-app purchases. You can buy PC games in the Microsoft Store or use the Xbox app on Windows. Subscriptions like Xbox Game Pass or add-ons are purchasable with your available balance. The balance is applied automatically before other payment methods during checkout. To view your funds, go to Account, Microsoft.com, or open the Microsoft Store app and check payment and billing. If needed, change region, update family settings, or contact support for unresolved issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.